All right, boys and girls, so this is my 2016 Ford F-150, as I had mentioned. It's the XLT. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost, twin Terpskis. And right now it's all stock. I got aftermarket wheels on it. It's got the sunroof, or the moon roof, whatever you want to call that. It's a pretty nice truck. It's my daily driver. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to slap a 3-inch on the front, 2-inch on the rear. And the idea after that, we're going to do a little trade series on these rims. I really don't like these rims anymore. I got them powder coated once, and if you look at them, they're all crummy. I need to wash them. But they're not glossy like I want them to be. They used to be real nice and glossy black, and they're not no more. This truck has 196,000 miles on it. And I've only had one issue. It came up fuel bank 1 lean or something like that. I replaced all the injectors, and then I found out that it was a purge line coming from the fuel tank. It wasn't even the injectors. I wasted like 3 days trying to figure it out. Whole bunch of money, and like $2 grand later I figured it out. So anyway, that's the idea. We're gonna go ahead and get her jacked up, try to figure it out. I think honestly I'm just gonna try to pull the upper, drop the strut, and slap the spacer on there. So we're gonna find out if that works. So we'll go ahead and we'll get to it. I'll set you guys up on a tripod. See what happens. Boys and girls, so as I had mentioned, I need to take this tire off here. 6 lugs. I'm gonna just try to pull the upper control arm off. And then up here, down there yonder, there's like 5 bolts, I'm pretty sure, that hold this strut on. So I'm going to try to undo all that. And then I should be able to just stick that spacer right there on top. We'll see how that works. I don't know. I'll go ahead and put you back on the tripod and find out. Alright, boys and girls, so we're back out here with another episode of Watch This Dummy in a Trailer Park try to take this shit apart. Got the upper control arm disconnected. It's all loose, so I'm just gonna undo these bolts right up here, and it should drop down. So I can stick that spacer in there. Let's go ahead and get you back on time lapse and do that. Got some funny stories to tell real quick.
Really?
I was actually going to make a YouTube video about putting a lift kit on my truck, and I had actually started that video. It was kind of hilarious because I was going to do like a how-to video, and really it became a how-to fail video, and I ended up calling a bunch of buddies. So I'll show some clips of me trying to put it on, but I ended up calling some buddies, and what it came down to is I couldn't get the strut out. I tried really hard to get the strut out, and I ended up taking a lot more than I thought I had to apart. That's for sure. And some of it I've never done before. I'll be honest. I'm not even gonna try to butter it up like other YouTubers do. I'm not a mechanic. It's something I wanted to do, but due to the fact that I had never paid attention in school, and I'm kind of well, it's not very nice to say, but I'm a dummy. I'll just put it for you that way. So, we'll go ahead and we'll do a little walk around on the truck. I'll show you what's going on with it. So yeah, this is the truck. It's 3 inch in the front, 2 inch in the rear. It is a 2016 XLT 3.5 EcoBoost. And I think the next video I'm gonna try to trade these rims. To be honest with you, there really ain't much to show of me putting on here. So this is probably gonna be like a really short, not so great video. But as I had said before, I'll try to make the videos better as I go on in life. Not everything's gonna be a project. We're probably gonna do a Halloween video here soon. I might walk around a haunted house, go to the pumpkin patch, do some family videos of carving pumpkins and trick-or-treating. Thanksgiving videos, things like that. I have a lot of goals with this channel, and as I said before, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm a guy like you. I go home, I hop on my couch, and I turn the TV on, and if my wife's not around, normally I watch YouTube. Uh, and a lot of the things they do, I want to do, but something that you guys don't know yet, I work a full-time job. Um, that 9 to 5 that everybody talks about, you know, I do it. Mine's more of a 5 to 3, but my wife works a full-time job too. We're in debt. We're not rich. Life is hard, but you know, I'm getting by. I got some leftover money to do projects like this. I can't do nothing crazy, you know, like Gabe Farrell or Cletus. Build a race car, $100,000 later. To be honest, probably more. It's probably a lot more. But yeah, that's the truck, and I'll try to make the best video I can out of it, really. But that's really about all I got. I might try to do some other car content here soon. I have some goals. My next video might actually be my trailer. I'm thinking about putting all my tools in my trailer. Thinking about doing a video on my 2008 Acura RDX Turbo. So, you know, I got some things to do. But you guys have a good time. You guys hit the subscribe button, comment, like, all that stuff. Try to help me out. Comment down below how I could be better. I need help. A lot of help. So, thanks, guys.